Hi, Darren Stewart with Stewart and Stewart Attorneys, here with Nick Wagner as usual. And we're here to talk about some of the calls that we get on a regular basis and just share with you our responses. And it's some calls are very interesting. Mm-hmm. And I know you wrote some down that you had last few weeks.
So yeah, I had a client call the other day and asked, how do I measure the value of my truck accident case?
Yeah, how much is that's interesting.
You know, and when you ask those types of questions, you got to think, well, first of all, you're calling the right attorney, because depending on what kind of attorney you call, they may not be valuing your case the way it ought to be valued.
If they don't do practice in that area on a regular basis,
right.
I see that
because
quite often.
Because trucking accident cases are a lot different in a lot of different respects.
Yeah, I had a truck accident case with one of my clients. I still talk to him. He came to me and the attorney he had didn't do a lot of this and had issued a demand for $100,000 with the willingness to move off of that. Huh. He came to me and I took all that off the table and we got well over that.
Okay, good.
So it's not patting myself on the back. It's just we do it every day. We know what to look for. So to increase the value, you've got to get all the data from the truck would be important.
Right. But how is it measured? I mean, how do we measure the value? That's really medical bills mm-hmm. and pain and suffering, lost wages. Mm-hmm. Was a loved one with you that may have seen it happen? You know, were you married at the time? I mean, there's all kinds of things.
The effects on your life, the hobbies, things you couldn't do. Could you go to your daughter's recital or so forth?
Yeah.
Vacations. So.
Yeah. But that was a good question.
Mm-hmm. So if you've been injured by a truck, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you, guide you, and help you measure and explain to you how, that's what we'll do. We'll really explain to you how this works so that you fully understand. Call Stewart and Stewart.